All right, well, welcome back to the Workplace Safety Show. As always, Jay Smith here along with Daryn Llewellyn, and we've got another topic today that we've kind of been bouncing this one around a little bit. It's something that we run into just about every time we do one of our free arc flash talks. For those of you out there watching, you've maybe seen these or been to one yourself, but we do free arc flash seminars all over the country. And one constant that it seems like we're always seeing as far as a type of attendee that attends these, we're seeing a lot of insurance companies now.
Yeah. Almost everyone we do has some insurance company representatives in it. And I'm not talking about your local agent. I'm talking about insurance companies for large casualty and risk management folks in there. And the question we get a lot of times is, will my insurance company cut my premium if I do arc flash analysis? And I've actually asked the big companies that, and they won't come right out and say yes, absolutely, but they will say things like, well, it all goes into the underwriting, or they will recommend that you do arc flash analysis. Now, they're not going to put a dollar figure on it, and you don't need a dollar figure necessarily. It's important that to know that the interest is out there by large insurance companies to have this done, to have their clients to have this done.
Right, and what we see a lot of times is I think it is still kind of industry segmented as well. We're seeing a lot more of this being in the facilities markets, in particular, where the insurance agency has been educated possibly through one of our seminars or whatever other mass media is out there regarding NFPA 70E and arc flash, because a lot of times these events aren't just personal injury. I mean, we're talking catastrophic facility shutdowns and massive remodeling efforts in various cases in case one of these events occurs. So obviously it's not just the personal liabilities, but it's also carrying the buildings and everything that goes along with it, especially in if it is in the public sector.
Yeah, interesting to think about the loss of business. If you're losing the incident in Mall of America, in Minneapolis recently. There was an arc flash occurred in the Mall of America, and they had to shut down and close part of that mall. What's that cost?
Right.
Well, those businesses are insured, for those reasons, for if they have lost time in their business, if they're shut down for whatever reason. And that would be kind of expensive if you shut down the Empire State Building or the Mall of America or something like that. So there's a lot more. I don't want to put this ahead of injuries, things like that, but there are lots of other costs that go into an arc flash accident, shutting down a business or causing hundreds of thousands of dollars of damage.
Right.
And the insurance companies that are coming to our seminars, and I can't tell you when the last seminar we had that didn't have an insurance company person.
They're always there.
They're always there, not for themselves, but for their clients.
Right.
What to recommend for their clients to do.
Right. Well, a lot of times folks tend to think that safety doesn't pay, but in this case here, it could.
Yeah.
We've had some cases where the insurance carrier was the first introduction that was made to one of their members as far as this standard is concerned, and so we're starting to see it out there a lot more. And we're hoping that they continue to come. If any insurance carriers are out there, we love having you in our events.
Yeah.
You add value to it. It's nice to bounce some of these ideas off of it. No, good topic. Hope to see more of them out there. Well, I think that wraps it up for today.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for joining us. See you next time.